What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For a very long time I've been wanting to bring you guys Lamborghini Urus. I want to thank Lamborghini Broward for giving me the opportunity to bring you this car. I'm going to show you guys the exterior and interior and all the options. Let's go take a look at the Lamborghini Urus. I mean, look at this thing, guys. It just looks beautiful in white. 23-inch wheels with yellow calipers, black wheels, ceramic disc brakes, turn signal indicator in the mirrors, of course, keyless entry, and you can't forget the shark fin antenna right here on the top. I mean, it's just a beautiful car overall. Let's do a quick walk around. You also have LED headlights, very aggressive front grille, hood vents. I mean, who doesn't like hood vents on a Lamborghini, right? Coming around in the headlights, you also have that signature Y shape on the headlights. But overall, it's just a very beautiful SUV. You also have the Italian flag right here on the side, as you can see. The gas tank is on the passenger side. And coming into the back, you also have that spoiler. Another spoiler right over here. There's that shark fin antenna right there. Quad exhaust. This thing sounds amazing. Let's take a look. Well, we obviously have some things here in the trunk, but you have your cover right over here, your first aid kit, and you have some buttons here, I guess, for the rear seats. Let's go ahead and close the trunk. But overall, a very beautiful, beautiful vehicle. This very same Lamborghini Urus S will cost you about $240,000, and it has a 4-liter V8 engine made to an 8-speed automatic transmission, making 657 horsepower. Now let's go take a look at that engine bay. All right, so coming into the interior, we're gonna go ahead and open that. Let's take a look at that engine bay, guys. Hopefully I'm able to open the hood. Never opened the hood in a Lamborghini before, so hopefully I can make it happen. I might have to, there you go. So there you have it. 4-liter V8 engine, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, making 657 horsepower. Very interesting fact about Lamborghinis, they always put the firing order in their engines. So it's a turbocharged vehicle. But yeah, the engine is pretty much under the covers. But that's the engine of the Lamborghini Urus. Notice all the carbon fiber in the hood. Lots of carbon fibers on the Lamborghinis. Let's go ahead and gently close the hood. If you're wondering what the fuel economy is on the Lamborghini Urus S, she will do 14 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This car is also 4-wheel drive, which makes it launch off the line extremely fast. And the sound this thing makes, amazing. And now it's time to take a look at the interior of the car. Okay, going into the interior, you have a very beautiful door panel. You have your window switches, your mirror switches, your door handle, lock and unlock button. You have a combination of rubber and carbon fiber. Your sound systems right here. You have a cup holder with a little bit of storage space. You have your door sill that says Lamborghini. And look at these seats, guys. Black leather with yellow stitching. You also get yellow seat belts. You have your seat adjusters right over here. Those are your pedals. Light switches to turn on and off. Your AC vents. Beautiful, sporty steering wheel. This car is just beautiful, guys. It's amazing. I really, really love it, and hopefully one day I get to own one. Let's go ahead and take a seat inside. Sitting inside, you have two paddle shifters, left and right. You have your cruise control right here on the left. Windshield wiper controls on the right. Very nice digital cluster right there. Plenty of carbon fiber, as I mentioned before. I love the yellow stitching all throughout the car. You have the Lamborghini emblem right here. Your switches, two other screens. You have all your driving select modes right here. This is your gear selector. Two cup holders. And right over here you have some more storage space with wireless charging. There's no sunroof or anything like that, but you do also have Alcantara on the roof. You have your sun visor with a light. I love the Alcantara roof with the stitching. That looks amazing. And I just overall love the way and feel of this car. It is really hot here in South Florida, but sitting here in this Lamborghini Urus, it's amazing. Beautiful car, I love it. Now let's go in the back seat and see what the Lamborghini Urus has to offer. Going into the back seats. Oh, I just noticed right over here it says 60th anniversary. So this is a 60th anniversary edition. But door panel continues with rubber, carbon fiber, black and yellow stitching, cup holders, Lamborghini door sill on the rear passengers as well. You also have a hardback covers for the seats, storage pocket behind the driver and passenger. You have a seating capacity for 5 adults. You gotta love the yellow seatbelt, guys. Lamborghini stitching on the headrest for the rear passengers as well. Over here you have 2 cup holders for the rear passengers. You have the AC vents, screens for the AC, 2 USB-C ports, a cigarette lighter. You barely see one of those in a car anymore. But that's pretty much it. A light. But yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. I'm pretty sure it sounds amazing. We're not gonna go ahead and start it up today, but we'll come back another day and start this beauty up. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video with the Lamborghini Urus S. I definitely want to thank Lamborghini Broward for allowing me to come here and shoot this car. Also, I'll try to bring some more cars to the channel for you guys. But Lamborghini Broward, top-notch dealership. Their staff is amazing, and I highly recommend it. But that's it on the Lamborghini Urus S. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.